All right, guys, it's delivery day. I'm pretty sure this is my delivery. How you doing, boss?
Good. How you
Good,
doing,
good. I opened this garage over here. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
So you only ordered 3 of these things?
Should be 4.
I'm just messing with
Oh,
you.
man, don't play. Hey, he playing. He already know what's in there.
Usually it's the first question that everybody asks me is like, how many
in there? Yeah. Yeah, you should have wrong. Are they heavy?
Not too bad.
Not too bad?
No.
Okay. Cool.
Can you stack them?
Yeah, I can get it from here. Yeah, we can stack them on top of each other. Yep, perfect. Oh, you got it figured out, man. You got the technique down.
Yeah.
He ain't doing no lifting.
Gotta save this.
Say that back, huh?
Ingredient is belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go.
All right, sir.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. All right, you too. Thank you. Stay cool out there, man. Okay, guys, man, that's right. So your boy Q then hopped up and got some 24 by 14s, man. So I'm so excited. Of course, I went with the TIS off-road wheels, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tell y'all right now, it is the exact same wheel I currently have on my truck. I just got it in a 24 by 14 as opposed to what I have on there currently, which is a 24 by 12 here, as you can see. So you can see the stance, show y'all really quick what it looks like. I'm gonna measure the lip here too, so y'all can see the difference. So y'all are probably wondering why I went with the same exact wheel, not a new design. The main thing is, when I first bought this wheel, I love the design of this wheel, so I did not want to change it. When they first made this wheel, it only came in a 26 by 14 and a 24 by 12. It did not come in a 24 by 14, which would be weird because 24 by 14 is probably like the most popular wheel desired from consumers. So I got the 24 by 12s, and like literally 2 or 3 months later, they came out the 24 by 14 and I was pissed. So this is always in the plan. Even when I got my new setup, when I went to 37 by 24 by 12, it was supposed to be 24 by 14s. So now I'm just doing that is what I'm doing, putting 24 by 14s on the truck because I really want to see what this truck looks like on 24 by 14s. So with that being said, now we got to open them up, inspect the wheels, make sure everything is good, make sure we got the right lug pattern. So yeah, here we go. I remember last time my wheels came, they were pretty, they had a few blemishes on them, but hey, they got the covering on there. I'm just taking one out, not all of them. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lugs, which is what we need. Oh my God. This is the 14 wide, guys. There we go. This thing is heavy. Here we go, man. 14 wide, guys. It don't look too wider than my 12 wides, to be honest with you. Are these 12s or 14s? Let me measure, make sure. I think, look how wide this thing is. I don't know if y'all can see that. Look how wide it is. Where's my tape measure? Tape measure. Let's see what they look like. Oh yeah, they 14 wide for sure. So measuring the lip on these. So this is about 7 inches, as y'all can see right there. If you go out here to these are 4.5, it seems like. Yeah, 4.5. So y'all can see the difference between right there. 4.5 is what these are. And then we're gonna be going to 7 is what the new one's gonna be. So it gives you an idea how much wider these are gonna be. But man, look at these wheels, bro. Yes, sir, that deep lip, that's gonna look really good on red, bro. But I know we probably gonna be rubbing, but I'm excited. So excited! And also, guys, yes, I did get these ceramic coated as well. That makes them very, very easy to clean. My 24 by 12s are ceramic coated, and it's just, if you get wheels from Custom Offsets, pay the extra 150, 60 bucks to get them ceramic coated. It's definitely worth it.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go.
So freaking hot, bro. And I'm in the shade. Whew, like, look at my hat. Like, look at that. Anyway, so all the wheels check out. Everything looks good. So you're probably wondering which set of tires I'm gonna mount the 24 by 14s on. I'm gonna mount them on the Nitto Ridge grapplers right here that I have. Personally, I love the Recon Grappler on here. I love the quietness of them. I actually love how they look. I love the Recon Grappler, but Ridge Grappler is my favorite tire. I just love the design, the aggressive look on it. So I'm gonna put the 24x14 on this look here. I'm gonna run this during the show season. And then I think during the winter months, I'm gonna run the 24x12s on the Recons. These are 24x14s. These are 13.5 wide tires. So my wheel is actually 0.5 inches wider than my tires. So I'm gonna be stretching just a little bit. And what I mean by stretching, the best way to show y'all, if I go out here now, I'm on a 13.5 wide tire. So 13.5 wide, same as those that's in the garage. I'm on a 24x12 wheel. So my tire is 1.5 inches wider than my wheel. So what that does is, you can see here, I got protection. My wheel is sticking out further than my tire. So I can hit curves and anything and not really have to worry about scratching my wheels. On the new setup, that's gonna be the ones in there, I will be stretching, meaning the wheel will stick out slightly over the tire is what it's gonna look like. We'll see how much we're actually stretching. If all else fails, I will probably have to get me some wider tires, go down to like a 36 on a 15 wide tire, you know, if I'm stretching really bad. But I'm excited to see Red on some 24x14s, right? I think that it's time for her to have that look. So excited! I'm nervous if I'm going to be rubbing at all and how much I'm going to be stretching with the Nitto Ridge Grapplers. But anyway, that's all I got. It's your boy Q. I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.
Go, 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 go.